of this section. So I am Idris. I'm a Tableau developer and data visualization expert. So what I do is just to build dashboard and bring out insight from chunks of data. So I present data in form of visuals, bar chart, pie chart, and stuff like that. So that is what I do. And the major tools that I use is Tableau. Because Tableau is just like a drag and drop something. You don't need anything. You don't need any coding. You don't need anything to build anything. So, okay, let me start by sharing my screen. Okay. Can you all see my screen? Please, we can unmute ourselves so that we can make this class more interactive.
Yes, we can see your screen.
Yeah, okay. This is me. Idris Akilapa, and this is my Twitter handle. So today we're going to talk introduction to data visualization. So data visualization is just the visual representation of data. You know that, okay, you have worked with data, you have trained data in the previous section. So now this one is just about presenting that data in form of bar charts, pie charts, and stuff like that. So that's what you're all about, presenting your data so that people can understand. So data visualization is just a way of presenting information in form of charts, graphs, maps, text, and images. And the most what is interesting about data visualization is just like, okay, after you have trained your data, you have done all of that. All of those things is not all of those things they won't know what you have done except to present your data. So which means that visualization is very important. That is what most of the stakeholders, most of the business owners, that is what they always look forward to. What is going on about our company? So cleaning and everything is just a step, and bringing it out in form of virtual form is another step entirely. And which is why it is very important for everyone to learn how to present data. So now, this is an image. This is where our data always look like. They are always dirty. They are always like the mean empty rows and things like that. So this is what our data look like. After you cleaned it, maybe I've done the data exploration. It will look like this. But after you start presenting it, this is what it's going to look like. So you're going to arrange everything based on the categories they all belong. So this is what it looks after you present your data and everything. So
Sorry, sir.
sometimes,
If I may, please, can you hear?
yeah,
Yes,
I can hear you.
I think the screen is fixed. We cannot.
Okay. How about now?
Yes, we can see that you moved to the third slide.
Yeah, this is the third slide. Can you see my third slide?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, okay. So as I said earlier, this is our data. They are always rough, in and out. Everything is into one another. So when we start building visuals and stuff like that, this is what it's going to look like. We are going to present it virtually. So we are going to arrange it based on the categories of where they belong. So now, sometimes when you present your data, bar chart and pie chart is not enough. You have to give it story. Maybe you are doing what's it called, like sales by region now. You know that in Nigeria we have Southwest, South, and stuff like that. Maybe Southwest has the highest sales, and you have a bar chart. So that is when you have to highlight the highest sales. I'm like, okay, Southwest is the highest, has the highest sales compared to other regions. You know that you have already explained what is going on with the data. So that's like on your data. So this is what it looks like after you have presented virtually. So this is what it will look like after you do a storytelling dashboard or storytelling virtual. So this is what it's going to look like. So now, what's the importance of data visualization? So the first importance is just like it helps the business users to gain insights into their vast amounts of data. You know that data are very large. So and all these business users they are not interested in all those Excel file, all those CSV file. They are not.
Please, once again, your screen hasn't been changed, sir.
What is going on? Maybe
Okay, wait. I
let me
think
share my
yours.
screen.
I don't think your
So how about
screen is
now?
frozen. Idris, I don't
It's
think your
it's
screen is frozen. What I think is that you haven't just gone
Hello?
to the next slide. If you can see, it's still on that page. It's not. Its screen is not frozen.
Hello?
yeah, we can.
Yes, we can
I
hear
think
you. Now,
you're on the present page now.
data issue.
Yeah, so this is where I am. So yeah, the first important is it helps business users to gain insights into their vast amounts of data. As I said earlier, all these business users, all our CEOs, our management, they are not interested in all our CSV. They're not interested in all our Excel files. They are not interested. They just want to see what is going on. So, and you presenting your data in form of bar chart is what we let them see the insights without racking their brain and stuff like that. So the second one is they recognize new patterns and error in data. Maybe I said earlier, maybe you want to show the regional by sales, and they will say like, okay, maybe the southeast has the lowest sales. They'll be like, okay, this southeast we have to what is going on in there. You know that if we have an Excel file, they won't know if southwest is doing better or southeast is doing uh, bad and stuff like that. So it gives them to see the new patterns and error in our data. And the third one is I have this just 20 records. Can you see the next slide?
Yes, we can.
Hello?
Yes, we can see
And you
the
can see
slide.
the screen.
Hello, please unmute yourself and
See the current slide now.
please unmute yourself because I will ask questions so that you can just talk and stuff like that. So now this is an Excel file that has 19 records. So we have segments, office supply, and corporate. That each customer belongs to maybe is either supply or corporate. So this is the sales of each of
Hi, please. I think I lost your audio. I don't know if I'm the only one experiencing that.
Yes, me too. Also, I think he's now with us on the call. Maybe something happened with his network connection.
Miss Rashida, if you can hear us, I think maybe he's having some problems over there. We can help to get back to him just to know what's happening.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
we
sir.
can.
Sorry, my network was bad, so I have to change to another network. That's why.
Okay, yeah, no
Okay.
problem, sir.
Sorry about that. So I think this is where we are, right? Are we? Oh yeah, this is where we are. This is the slide we are, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So now, what I was saying was like, okay, this is an Excel file which has 19 records. So from this, you looking at this Excel, can you tell me the segment that has the highest sales just by looking at this Excel file?
Yeah, I
You can
think
just
it
try.
is the O number 7 bar, the home office, the one that has 2,500.
Okay, home office. Another person.
Yeah, I think that's the
Home office,
highest
right?
sales.
Okay.
Yes.
What about 2,500 for corporate here? Corporate still have 12 something here. Home office, we have consumer data, something like that. So that's when it's just like just like what is it called? Just experiment. You say that you think you are not sure because the Excel we have to add this one for consumer plus this one plus this one plus this one highest sales. Okay, you said home office. For the second questions now, so which segment has the highest profit and highest sales based on this?
I think based on what you just said, to get that actual answer, we need to make the computation of the total profits per segment. But
Yes.
with this now, we can't get the actual result.
Yeah. So okay, this is what I meant by you presenting your data. You know, this one is just like 19 rows. So now imagine if you have like 5,000 rows, you won't have the ability to be adding everything one after the other and stuff like that. So that is why you have to present your data. Maybe your data has like 500,000 rows, and maybe after you have trained it and everything now is now like 300,000 rows. And they ask you to give what segment has the highest sales. And you gave them this Excel file that okay, they should be looking at it and stuff like that. You know that is not ideal. So you have to present everything in form of you have to present everything in form of bar charts and stuff like that. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. The consumer has the highest sales. We said that home office has the least one. So the consumer has the highest sales. Now, so now when I said about storytelling and of a thing, I said that you have to highlight the highest one, which I use different highest one. So these are like I highlighted the highest bar chart. So they were able to see, okay, this one stands out, and which means that it has the highest sales compared to other two. So now this is the second one. What is the performance of segments based on sales and profit? So now this is a what? Well, what is the name of this chart? Who can tell me the name of this? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, we are.
We are
Yeah,
with you.
yeah. I'm asking a question like who can tell me the name of this chart?
Okay.
Just tell
Is
me.
a change.
I think it is a line chart.
Okay. Any other suggestion? Okay. So yeah, this chart is called a scatter plot. So it's like you know when we are building graph, we have to plot maybe distance against this distance against. So I'm plotting profit against sales. You get so which means that as you are going to the right, means that as they're going to the right, we have the high sales. As they're going from down to top, we have high profits. So which means that consumer has the highest sales, but consumer has the least profit. Based on what we are saying right now, we have the consumer has the highest sales, but has the least profit. You know that thing is bad. Now look at this office supply. It's the second that has the highest sales and is the one that has the highest profit compared to corporate. So you know that we're looking at this one, we're just saying, okay, this one has the highest sales, but we don't know anything about the profit. Now, you using this chart, you're able to see, okay, consumer has the highest sales, which is true, but in terms of profit, consumer is very poor, almost negative. Do you get what I'm trying to explain right here? Yeah, so that is it. That's like you have to present your data so that they will understand what is really going on. So that is it. Based on this, you don't know what consumer is based on profit. So which means that if you are doing data visualization, you have to ask as many questions as possible. What is sales? What is sales in terms of profit and stuff like that? So we're going to do a lot of that. So let's move on. So now we have different tools that we can use for data visualization. We have Python. I think you should have used Python for some bar chart and pie chart. Hello?
Not yet.
No. Yeah. This is just like people use Python for visualization and stuff like that. But I won't encourage people using Python for visualization, except we are going into deep machine learning and stuff like that, which you have to do some data exploration so that you can have the overview of your data. But if you are building dashboard, it's not you writing like 2,000 of code to build a dashboard when you can use a software where you can drag and drop everything and everything will be done. So that's why people use Python for visualization. So example of a library that you can use for Python is matplotlib, cbones. So that is a library for visualization in Python. We still have R. Also, we have something like ds.js. So that is a library in JavaScript that they use for visualization also. Excel. People use Excel for visualization. Have you heard about Power BI before?
Yes.
Yeah. So Power BI and Tableau, they are the major tool for data visualization and business. So both of them are business intelligence tools, Power BI and Tableau. So, but right now we'll be using Tableau, which is what I'm using. And people use Power BI also, but I'll be using Tableau throughout this entire section. So you can ask, okay, why do I have to choose Tableau over Power BI? We have a lot of questions like that. People will ask, okay, why Power BI over Tableau, or why Tableau over Power BI? So let me just give you just a little reason why I have to choose Tableau over Power BI. Okay, Tableau is a powerful data intelligence tool that helps organizations to gain insight from their data. Sure. Tableau is a drag and drop tool. You just have to drag your sales to this place, drag your column, maybe your region to this place, and everything it comes up. So you don't need any programming language. You don't need any programming knowledge to build anything in Tableau. And Tableau has a community. So if you go to Twitter right now and you search #DataFem, you will see a lot of people that use Tableau over there. Maybe after they have done with their work, they just upload it there and stuff like that. So I will encourage you, after this section, I will introduce you to the DataFem, where after you build a project, you can just send it there and they will see it, maybe, and they will provide feedback to you also, and they will welcome you to the community. So if you ask them, okay, this is your first, and this is your first project and stuff like that. Okay, I need your correction over this. They will interact with your team, with your visualization, and they will give you corrections, and they will welcome you to the community. so that, okay, if you have any problem, you can just come to us and ask questions and they will answer you. So that's how I started also. I have to tag the community and now I'm part of the community. So now I am one of Tableau public ambassador in Nigeria also. So Tableau has a very large virtual capability. So there are some charts that some BI tools cannot build, but in Tableau you can build anything. It's just based on your imagination. You can build anything. So Tableau has a data visualization hosting platform. So have anyone heard about Tableau Public before? No. Tableau Public is a hosting platform for data visualization for anyone that's using Tableau. So Tableau Public is just like a portfolio for anyone using Tableau. So if you have a Tableau Public profile, and when you have done any visualization on Tableau and you host it there, everything will be there. So anyone that search your name on Tableau Public, they will see all your work and stuff like that. So you can use that one as a portfolio. So I will show you how I use Tableau Public. And the reason why Tableau Public is the largest visualization hosting platform. When you search any dashboard over there, you will see a lot of them. So now let's go to the different products in Tableau. We have Tableau Desktop, which is what we'll be using throughout this course. We use Tableau Desktop to build visualizations and to build dashboard. I said earlier, we have Tableau Public. So we use it to host visualizations, and you can even use it as a portfolio. So when you're applying for data analyst job or data visualization expert job, you can send them your Tableau Public link. You can just click it and they will go there and see all your work over there. So we still have Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep is for data modeling, to join data, to clean data, and to prepare data. So rather than using coding or using your code to clean everything, you can use Tableau Prep. It's like drag and drop, write any code for that. So that is a Tableau. And we have Tableau Cloud and Tableau Server. So both Tableau Cloud and Tableau Server is for companies. You know that as a company, you won't be hosting your visualization to public use. So you have to have your own cloud or hosting the business business data too. So Tableau Cloud and Server is for Tableau Prep is for cleaning and modeling, and Tableau Desktop is for building, and Tableau Public is for hosting. So let me share you Tableau Public and let's see how we can navigate through Tableau Public. Tableau Public. Okay. Come. So, hello. Can you see Tableau Public? Hello.
Yes,
yeah.
Yes, we can see you.
Yeah. So this is my Tableau Public. Tableau Public is like, maybe let's say like Twitter or stuff like that. You can follow people. People can follow you. You can hide your project. Maybe you are working on the project and you are done. You can hide it. You can even like people's work, so that, okay, maybe you say a visualization or a dashboard that you love, and you can just like it and you have it in your portfolio, maybe in a. So this is my own visualization. This is my own Tableau Public. Someone asks for, maybe I want to apply for a job, I can just copy my link from here and put it to on my CV. You can easily click on the link and this thing will come up. And maybe on LinkedIn also, you can attach this thing, LinkedIn profile or Twitter profile. Once they click it, they take them to your Tableau Public and they can see all your visualizing that you have done. So now, so far, I have done 62 visits. So that is just my own or maybe anytime I'm free, I have to do some things and to make myself more usable. So this is my visualization. I have to show you where I started. So this is where I started. You see how it is. You see how horrible it is. So the thing is just like, as a visualization expert or as anything, if you are a web developer or you can't be very good overnight. Just accept that. So practice make perfect. So this is my first visualization on Tableau Public, and you see my business dashboard, how it looks like. So you can see everything. So you going up, you see the progress. Okay, this person is getting better. It's getting better. It's getting better. So this is my business. This is another business dashboard now, compared to my previous, the one that I first did. So that is how Tableau Public work. You show your progress. You know that as a learner or as a person, you can't just start you can't just start uploading virtual appealing dashboard over there. People will have to see your first V's, how you have been growing over time. That thing is very important. People seeing your history, how you are growing. You give them confidence that, okay, this person is not a scam. This person learned this thing from the scratch to be an expert. So Tableau Public is like you giving people to know your story. So this is my visualization. This is my, okay, let's just click one. Okay. Can you just pick one? Which one should we explore? Anyone?
The first one that you uploaded.
Okay, this one. Okay, the one
The
that I
first
first
one,
uploaded.
yeah, the one.
Okay,
yes.
Yeah. Don't laugh. So after this project, after this thing, I will ask us to participate in a Tableau challenge. It's called Makeover Monday. So everyone, every Monday they give you a data set. By Sunday you have to submit everything online. So this is my first Makeover Monday, and it's just like about the Amazon. Amazon are beginning their profits over time. So yeah, don't blame me. I don't know what I'm doing. So I just have to put everything over there. Yeah. So this is my first thing. So it shows that this one that is orange is a negative profit, and this one shows that this is the highest profit and stuff like that. So this one shows how they have been going over time to 2020. So it's just like the cumulative of profits. So the orange one, I don't even know what the orange one means. So that's my first thing. So let's explore another one. So let's explore this. So this is a challenge also. They gave us these data sets and they asked us to visualize. They give us an Excel that has top 100 most searched women on web. So they asked us to visualize it and stuff like that. So, and this is what I came up with. And each of them, they are categorized into different sectors. We have politics, we have sports, we have science, we have philosophy, and stuff like that. So, which means that each icon, like each internet icon like this represents what? Each person. So you can see blue is for top 20. So you can see the first one. The first one is the number one is here. This is number one. On it will highlight the position. You can see this is the number two. This is number three. Let's highlight it again. Okay, let's click on it. This is number three. This is number four. So once you click on 21 to 40 also, it will highlight everything out. So you can see where they are and stuff like that. Once you can see everything. This is the power of data visualization. Without you letting them to stress their brain, they can see what is going on. So maybe they want to know about this person, they can just over on it and it will show what she has done, what she did and stuff like that. So it will load up the person's image, and that's it. So once over this one, you see what's going on also. So that is what this one is all about. And this is this one is a business dashboard. This is a business dashboard. So it shows the business dashboard for regional sales. You can see we have 4 regions. So this is the four region. You can see the highest one, that the highest region. This is the highest region. This is the highest region, West. You can see how the progress from the first date to the last date. And I did it in form of category and stuff like that. So, and I said earlier, if you are doing visualization is divided into 2. We have business visualization and we have storytelling visualization. This one is the business visualization. This one is the storytelling, like in terms of infographics. So this is a business dashboard. This is a business dashboard. This is a storytelling dashboard. So we have two dashboard. Business, you have to know that business dashboard and storytelling dashboard. So you design like infographics and stuff like that. That will call storytelling dashboard. So now, and another fun thing about Tableau Public is just like maybe you are the hiring manager and you want to hire experts. You understand? And you came across my profile and you want to hire me. You can just click on hire me and send me a message. Hi, Idris, I love your visualization and I want you to be part of my my team and stuff like that. This is my email and stuff like that. So this mail, you will see it on your email. This is my email. So that's it. That is the hire me. Can hire you from your Tableau Public profile. And you can, maybe you want to follow me, you can follow me on Twitter by clicking on this. You can follow me on LinkedIn. And this is the visualization that I liked, 26. So you see them. These are people's work. You see, these are people's work. And I'm following 97 people. And 850 are following me. So, and I have 11 hidden projects that is not for public use. I have to hide it. So no one can see it except me. So now let's go to Tableau Public. So this is how Tableau Public looks like. When you click on this Tableau Public, this is what it looks like. And this you see all the visualizations. You see everything. You can click on see all to see everything. Maybe you want to go to business dashboard. You can see time series. You can see news. So all those dashboards, they are categorized into different segments. You see art and culture. You see resume. You can still use Tableau to design your resume. Diversity. You see learning Tableau. You see education. So let's go to, I want to see business dashboard. This is a business dashboard. You can click on see all. Once you see all, you can see a lot of business dashboards. So this is one of my projects also. So this is my project also. So it's like Tableau will bring all the business dashboards all together into a page where you can see business. Maybe you want to work on your visualization and you need inspiration. You can come to Tableau Public and search. So this is how to use the search button. Maybe you want to talk about you want to build a visualization based on maybe a malaria. You have a malaria data set and you want to build a visualization or storytelling on that data set and you don't know where to start. You can just search. You see the search button here. Click on it. You have a malaria. Let's start malaria. You see what people have done about malaria. When you click on it, you see a lot of visualization on malaria. You see, you can still click next. So you can go there and see malaria a story. Let's check this. So you can even check it and see how it is built. So you see how it is built. You can even download it. You can even download this as an image. You can download the workbook. Also, this person switch off this thing. So you can download the workbook also, where you can open the dashboard on your Tableau desktop and learn how this person built this dashboard. So you can go to my page, download any workbook over there, open it on your Tableau desktop and learn the procedure I used to come to build that dashboard entirely, which means that you can even learn from people's work by downloading their workbook and do a reverse engineering on how they did it. So you see, Nigeria has the highest deaths of malaria. So you see, so that is how it works. Maybe you can even search names. Maybe you want to search my name, Idris. Just type it. So you can just click on author. You see this is me. You see a lot of Idris here. So this is Tableau Public, and even sometimes you might not even need to download the Tableau desktop to start using Tableau Public. You can use Tableau Public online. So this is how it works. Then go to my profile. Maybe I want to create a viz, and I have the data set on my laptop, and I don't want to use the application. I can come to Tableau Public. Once you have the profile, you can come to Tableau Public and create a viz. You have this button here. When you click on it, if you open a Tableau thing, building, so you can create and upload from your data from here. So it's uploading everything. So yeah, now you can start building everything. So which means that you can use Tableau Public also to build anything, rather than having Tableau Desktop, because that Tableau Desktop is paid version of Tableau of Tableau. So if you have a Tableau Desktop, you have to have 14 days trial. So if you can't pay, you can use Tableau Public this thing online. Maybe you want to see here by something, you can just see how I drag it. So we are going to learn how to drag everything here. So I'm just showing you how it works. You see the trend. You can change it from bar to bar chart. So that's it. That's how Tableaus work. So once you have the profile, you can do anything on Tableau Public by using it online. And if you have a Tableau desktop, you can use Tableau desktop also. Then publish it to your Tableau Public. So let's go back. So let me just start like this. So, which means that sometimes you might not need to download your Tableau desktop. You can just create a profile for a Tableau Public and start creating these from there. And one thing you just need is always connect to always be connected to your internet. That's what you need. That's all. And that is all about Tableau Public. And I have a thing for you. So if you are a student and you have an ID card, you can have 1 year license to Tableau. So they will give you Tableau Prep license, license key. They will give you Tableau desktop key, and they will give you tutorials to Tableau. So if you are a student and you have an ID card or you have a school mail, you can use that to have 1 year free Tableau. And I guess that if you can use Tableau for a year and you start learning before, I've learned a lot. So if you are a student, I'll just send the link where you will register and they'll give you a year license to Tableau. So which means that you don't need to worry about Tableau being expired in the next 14 days. You use it for what? A year. So that is Tableau Public. So any question so far, please ask question. Hello. Hope I'm not talking to myself.
No, sir, we are with you.
We are with you.
Please ask question based on what I've explained so far.
Okay.
Can I go on, sir?
Yeah, you can go on,
Uh, I think based on your last point given about the I think for students with ID cards. So I would like to
Yeah,
ask if the software, I mean the Tableau, has a subscription package, or is a free source
yeah,
package.
yeah. Tableau has a subscription package. I think it's $75 per month.
Wow.
So which is why it's expensive. The package is expensive. So which is why you have to maybe you are a student, just use the Tableau or use the a year license key. So if you don't have that, you can just download Tableau Public Desktop. Tableau Public Desktop, that one is free. Or you can be using it online by creating these, or you have to pay for the Tableau Desktop. So you have a range of things that are options. So you don't have the ID card, go ahead and use it. Have a Tableau Public profile, then start creating this online, or download the application, the Tableau Public Desktop, which is free, but it's limited to some things. So I will send you all those links where you're going to download all those things. So, but if you're a student, that is what you can use. They give you tutorials, all the tutorials on Tableau. So if you watch that thing and you learn and you start learning, before you finish the tutorial, you have known how to present your data using Tableau. So they give you license to Tableau Prep, where you can clean your data if you have an Excel file, which is very dirty. So if you don't want to write code, you can just use Tableau Prep. Just drag everything there and everything will be cleaned for you on Tableau Prep. So rather than using code also. So it's very good. So if you have an ID card that has the expiring date is on it, you can use that. Or you have your school mail, or you have, I think if you have results that has the school name on top of it, I think you can use that also. If you don't have an ID card, I think you can use that. So that is just all about you having a Tableau, as having access to Tableau. So any other question?
Yeah, sir. Looking at your profile dashboards, and my question is like, can one dashboards be like on a specific knowledge domain? Like for example, if you're only going to do a dashboard on, let's say, for example, like healthcare, like all your dashboards for your profile are based on healthcare. Is it, or do you like, or should one just diversify?
Okay. The thing is just like, okay, I love that question. So the thing is, if you want to focus, is good. You understand? Because you doing tab dashboard on different sectors will give you like a lot of options. You understand? But if maybe healthcare, you have like 30 dashboards on healthcare. So if you apply for maybe healthcare, maybe you apply to a healthcare company and they see all your dashboard is on healthcare, they'll be like, okay, this person is more interested in this sector. They will have to hire you because they know that you have done like 30 projects about healthcare. So compared to someone that has done one or two, you doing 30 projects on healthcare, you'll have had like enough knowledge about healthcare. That knowledge will be there compared to someone that I've done two. But me, I did lots of dashboard in different sectors for me to have a lot of options. So that's why having a need in a tech team is very important. So another person can choose Power BI and not Power BI to the core. Another person can choose Tableau and not Tableau to the core. So either of the one that you use, once you are good in what you are using, you will be known and they will recognize you. That's why it's not compulsory to know Lucas, to know Power BI, to know this, to know that. So if you know one to the extreme, to learn the other will be very simple. Rather than use combining four tools at the same time and learning the whole four at the same time. So that's like jack of all trades, master of none. So that is it. Okay, just choose, maybe you want just to learn it too. Choose that tool, learn it, and make sure that if they are talking about the tool, they will surely talk about like, okay, this person is good in this tool. Then you can learn all other tools side by side. So that's why if you want to build a dashboard, you can go into a sector and make sure you still have some dashboard that touches other sectors also, for you to have a lot of options. Hope I answered that question.
Yes, very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So any other question? Please answer. Please ask me question. Please ask me question.
Okay, sir. So now, like, apart from this Tableau Public, for the one that you are going to do online, like for the one that you are going to download for the desktop, is it must you use like internet connection, or you can just use it offline?
Yeah, the Tableau desktop, you don't need to have internet connection. You can use it offline. And Tableau Public Desktop also, which is the desktop application version of this Tableau Public, which is also free. You can use it offline, except if you want to publish your work online. So that's why you have to connect to the internet and publish it, and that's all. But if you are using this one, once you have the program, you are using this, it just have to be online. So that is it about Tableau Public. So I will send you link to Tableau Public profile, which you have to create a Tableau Public profile. So I will send you a link where you can download the Tableau desktop, that is the trial version, and I'll send you a link where you can download the app version of this one. So you have three things. So you have to choose either of the three. Maybe you can download that Tableau desktop and you can be using after the Tableau desktop has expired, you can be using the online version or the application version of this online. So that's it. I will just encourage you to download the Tableau desktop for now. So once that one expires, you can be using these. So, but if you have an ID card, you can use the ID card to register so that they give you a year license to Tableau desktop.
Okay.
So that
As for the one that you are going to use for the student ID card, like how long does it take for you to get the free access?
within 15 minutes, they give you the license key. So once you provide your details and they can see that okay, you are a student,
Okay.
they send the license key to you. That
Okay.
within 10 minutes of 15 minutes, they send the license key to you. So
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
so okay, and okay, for me also, I use license. I use the student version twice. I have to connect someone ID card after the year has expired. I have to use it again. But now I'm on because if you're a Tableau ambassador, they give you the license key for your tenure. It's a year to give you the license key. So that's what I'm using now. And if it expires maybe September, so I have to find a way to get another license key again. So that's it. So that's just it's all about Tableau Public, Tableau Desktop, and all about introduction to visualization and Tableau. So next Friday, we're going to start building visuals. And so which means that I want all of us to have the data ready, because as I'm building, you also might be doing the same thing and be asking questions. And I will give you assignments after the class. Hope we are good.
Yes, we are very much good, sir.
So that will be all for the introduction to data visualization. So next week we start the hands-on on how to build a lot of these charts.
Okay, sir. Thank you very, very much, sir. And it was a great pleasure to meet you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome. Okay, Emmanuel asked the questions. He asked that, okay, can we use Tableau on mobile? You can't use Tableau on mobile. I don't think you can use Tableau on mobile. I don't think so. Because the application will be very more powerful than the phone and stuff like that. I don't think you can use Tableau on mobile. So if you want to talk and you don't have the access to your audio, you can just type it. So Rashida. Okay, let's wait for Rashida. I think she's off. She'll be back soon. So, she's coming. Okay. Okay, she said she's coming. Her network is bad. Okay, she's on.
Okay, apologies, guys. Sorry, my internet just keeps kicking me off and bringing me back. But I'm sure that Idris have done justice to this topic. Idris, you're done with the class here.
Yeah, we're done with the introduction.